These are the most unique bird nests on Earth. Number 5. Baya weaver. Using specially selected grasses, the male baya weaver constructs one of the most complex hanging nests in the animal kingdom. Its long, narrow tunnel entrance makes it extremely difficult for snakes and other predators to get inside. Number 4. Hornbills take nest security to another level. After choosing a tree cavity, the female seals herself inside with mud and debris. Only a tiny slit remains, just wide enough for the male to pass food to the mother and chicks for several months. Number 3. Rufous hornero. This bird builds a solid oven-shaped nest that looks like it was molded from clay. Made from mud mixed with plant fibers and saliva, the interior is divided into chambers that provide insulation and protection. Number 2. Common tailor bird. The common tailor bird literally sews living leaves together using spider silk or plant fibers. The result is a perfectly camouflaged nest that blends seamlessly into the surrounding plant. Number 1. Bowerbird. Instead of building a nest, male bowerbirds create bowers, elaborate decorative structures designed to attract females. They carefully arrange sticks, stones, flowers, and even stolen human objects, especially anything blue. If you made it this far, like and subscribe for more amazing nature facts.